My doll. I have a panda doll. This is my favorite one. That was my birthday present last year. This is a large panda doll with white and black color. It has very cute and soft face. This panda doll is unique because something inside of the stomach is not foam but it's greens. So it is fun when holding it. And I hope this doll is not broken quickly and always with me. I always wash it in a good laundry because I'm afraid if it is broken, I put aside money pocket for my doll needs. From here, I learn to save. I hope that every birthday the doll grows bigger to fit my size. I really thanks my parents for giving a panda doll that finally became something very important. I like to put it on the bed. Every day I play with it. Even I always hug him when I sleep.